All right, so we're going to talk about in section 2.3 a universal set, okay, and Venn diagrams. And also talk about the, which was, I believe, introduced in the previous sections, the intersection and union and its complement. Oh, we're going to be talking about that today. So a universal set symbolized by the letter U is a set that contains all elements being considered in a given discussion or problem. A Venn diagram or Venn diagrams are used to show the visual relationships among sets. So example 1, it says, use the Venn diagram below to determine each of the following sets. So we have a universal set, and we have an element here of A, and well, within the universal set, we have an element of A. Element A has 1, 5, and 6. It's circled. Then also in the universal set, we have 7 and 9. Okay? So it says here, of course, use the Venn diagram below to determine each of the following sets. So set U, what, and I think I just said it, what is in this universal set here that we see? Okay, A is the name of the circle in the Venn diagram, but we're going to look what's inside. So our set here, we're going to denote that with a brace. We have 1, 5, 6, 7, and 9. What is in set A? 1, 5, 6. Yes. And then C, the set of elements in U that are not in A. 7 and 9. Did everyone sign in? Thank you. All right, here we go. So that wasn't too bad. Here we go. Example 2. It says use the Venn diagram below to determine each of the following sets. All right, so what's in set A? Now, because look, now this time what makes example 2 different than example 1 is that this time we have 2 circles here. Okay, we have set A, and in set A you have Roman number 1 and 2, and under Roman number 1 you have A, B, C, and then under Roman number 2 you have D. But also set B here, we have what? D and E, and then we have what's on the outside? Question?
Would you include the Roman numerals when dividing the set, or no?
Well, if we're just talking about all of the elements that are in set A, then yes, 2 is included here. Because we're going to be talking about intersection and we're going to be talking about union. Now, if I say intersection, just to give you a heads up, we're talking about what does A and B have in common. Okay, that's what we're talking about. But right now, we're just looking for, well, we just want to see what is in A. We have A, B, C, and D. That's in set A. In example B, the set of elements in B, but not in A. E. Letter C, the set of elements in the universal set U that are not in A. Say it again. E, F, G. Let me stop here. Do you understand that part? Letter D, the elements in U that are not in A or B. F and G.